There's a quiet force at work in your life right now, one that nobody talks about openly. You won't see it in the news, on social media, or in motivational books. And yet, it quietly shapes how the world sees you. It shapes how your colleagues, friends, family, even strangers respond to you. This force is subtle, almost invisible. And if you're not careful, it can make everyone underestimate your potential, your influence, your respect, your power, before you've even had a chance to show what you're capable of. It's not about talent. It's not about luck. It's not about whether you're outgoing or introverted, confident or shy. It's about the small, unnoticed habits that quietly communicate weakness, indecision, and inconsistency. These habits are silent killers of respect. And they operate in the shadows, in the moments nobody sees. Imagine a person who is capable, intelligent, and skilled, but who consistently hesitates to take responsibility for small decisions. They delay action, avoid confrontation, speak softly in meetings, and rarely push for what they deserve. Over time, people begin to sense a pattern. They perceive this person as someone who can be overlooked, someone whose potential can be ignored, someone who doesn't command respect. This isn't about failure, it's about silent habits eroding perception. One of the most dangerous of these habits is hesitation. Not hesitation in the face of real danger, but hesitation in everyday life. Deciding to stay quiet when you should speak up, delaying a small commitment, putting off an opportunity because it feels inconvenient. Each time you hesitate, you send a subtle signal. I am unsure, I am cautious, I am not fully prepared. And human psychology is merciless. People subconsciously start underestimating you, even if you are the most talented person in the room. Another habit is inconsistency. It could be as simple as failing to follow through on promises, showing up late, or switching your opinions depending on the crowd. Consistency builds trust and influence. Inconsistency destroys them quietly. You might not notice the cost immediately, but over months and years, the small lapses compound. People begin to doubt your reliability, your authority, and your vision. What you consider minor imperfections, the world interprets as weakness. And then there's the habit of invisibility. Avoiding attention, shying away from responsibility, not asserting your presence in situations that matter. Some people do this because they fear judgment, failure, or rejection. But invisibility has a steep price. The world always underestimates what it doesn't see. The opportunities you pass up silently become the gaps others exploit, and slowly, you're left overlooked while someone else takes the place you deserved. Consider the subtle habit of letting others dominate conversations. In meetings, social circles, even at home, speaking softly, failing to express opinions clearly, or waiting too long to contribute makes your voice invisible. Over time, your ideas are ignored, your suggestions undervalued, and your presence diminished. You become a person people underestimate, not because you lack value, but because your habits whisper weakness. The danger of these habits is that they feel safe. They don't demand risk, confrontation, or effort. They allow you to blend in, avoid judgment, and stay comfortable. But comfort is deceptive. While you feel protected, the world forms impressions of you that are difficult to undo. Your reputation, your influence, and your ability to be trusted are quietly shaped by what others see, and more importantly, what they don't see. There's a story that illustrates this perfectly. Imagine a team member who never volunteers for difficult projects, never raises ideas proactively, and waits for guidance before acting. On paper, they are skilled, intelligent, and competent. But after months, people begin to assume that they are hesitant, unsure, or incapable of leadership. Even when they do something impressive, it is met with surprise rather than respect. Their silent habits have created a perception that undermines their actual ability. Contrast this with someone who takes small, deliberate actions consistently. They speak up in conversations, follow through on promises, take responsibility for outcomes, and don't shy away from minor risks. Even if their successes are modest, their habits communicate strength, reliability, and capability. People naturally notice, trust, and respect them. They are not loud or flashy, but their consistency and intentionality leave no room for underestimation. So how do you break free from the silent habit that makes everyone underestimate you? First, awareness is critical. You must observe your own patterns, the small ways in which hesitation, inconsistency, and invisibility appear in your daily life. Most people are blind to these patterns because they feel harmless. But as soon as you see them, you can begin to act intentionally. Second, take small, consistent actions that communicate strength. Speak clearly and decisively. Follow through on commitments, even minor ones. Assert your presence respectfully in conversations. Volunteer for tasks others avoid. Each deliberate choice builds a perception of reliability, competence, and influence. The habits that once silently eroded respect now quietly build it. Third, embrace calculated discomfort. Growth always requires a little unease. Take on responsibilities that challenge you. Risk judgment for doing what's right, and step into situations that make you slightly uncomfortable. This is how habits transform from invisible weaknesses into visible strengths. People notice who consistently acts with courage and integrity, even in small ways. Fourth, document your progress and reflect. Track your actions, decisions, and follow-through. Review the moments when you hesitated, avoided responsibility, or remained invisible. Replace them deliberately with actions that communicate competence and reliability. Over time, the silent habits that once undermined you become habits that command respect. Finally, understand the ripple effect. Influence, trust, and respect are built gradually. One small silent habit can determine how others perceive you for years. And conversely, one small deliberate habit can dramatically shift perception. Every decision, every action, every word communicates far more than you realize. The silent habits of your daily life shape your future, your relationships, and your opportunities. Remember this: people underestimate those who allow habits to quietly signal weakness, but people respect those who intentionally use habits to communicate strength. The power is in your daily choices. Stop hiding, stop hesitating, stop letting inconsistency define you. Small actions, taken consistently, transform the way the world sees you, and more importantly, the way you see yourself. The silent habit that makes everyone underestimate you is not a single act. It's a collection of tiny choices repeated day after day. Awareness, deliberate action, and consistency are your tools to break it. Start today. Speak clearly. Follow through. Step forward when it's easier to stay back. Every choice chips away at underestimation and builds a reputation of strength, influence, and respect that no one can ignore. You don't need to be loud or flashy or aggressive. You just need to act consistently, intentionally, and courageously in the moments that matter most. When you do, the silent habit is replaced by a silent power. People stop underestimating you. They notice, they respect, they trust. And you finally become the person you always had the potential to be.